edit with side settings, first select the bay and then go to side settings at the top of the screen. In here we could turn off all the guardrails. Remember, by using side settings we're editing every level of the bay. Likewise, with a click of a button we can turn all the guardrails back on, or maybe just turn off one side. In a similar way, we could add face braces, maybe to left and to right hand side, turn off a screw jack or turn it back on again, add netting to the whole of the bay or just 3 sides again, select which side you'd like to have a cantilever or hop-up bracket, select the size of the bracket what you're going to use, and also determine which level or levels you'd want the bracket to be applied to. All this can be done by a simple click of a button.